Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Ife, and on today's episode I'm going to be showing you one of the ways I make my sweet and spicy chicken wings. Now for this quick recipe, I've listed out the ingredients that was used in the description box below. You might want to check it out. So I start by adding my seasoning to my already cleaned chicken wings, and then I mix it together to allow the chicken absorb all the spices. So which I place the wings on the baking tray and allow it to bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the chicken is almost done, so I bring it out of the oven, flip the sides, and then put it back for it to bake for another 10 minutes. The chicken is done baking, I prep the sauce that I'm going to use to coat the chicken, and for these I just put the peppers and onions and garlic in the food processor, blend it to be coarse. I don't want it to be smooth, just slightly coarse, and then I put it in my hot pan with oil and fry it for a few minutes. Which I add some honey to the pepper mix and then stir it, allow it to dry, and then add more honey because, well, it's sweet and spicy chicken. Next step, I just incorporate the roasted chicken into the sauce and then stir it together, and my sweet and spicy chicken is ready to be served. This recipe is perfect for when you're hosting, or for Sunday lunch, or better still for your weekend chilling. You could just pair it with a bottle of chilled wine. Like, you can never go wrong with it. This is how I make my sweet and spicy chicken wings. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button now, and also give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.